Right, enough of that. Sorry, I know I've been MIA. This is what happened while I've been away. I brought these two things. After I brought these two things, I realized I needed a few more things in order for these two things to work. As you can see, bike life is not cheap. Get rid of that. Now to make my life easier, I'm going to bring you guys in. We get, is that one or two? You get two microfiber cloths with the branding. If I can make that clear. We get a sponge. Throw that there. I know we get the snow foam in here somewhere. Put that there. We get that bad boy. We'll have to figure out what all this is. I got this all as a bundle. So what I'm going to do is unbox everything and then we'll go through pricing. Oh wow, you get a hat. Okay, we'll open that in a second. We get this. We get MO94, MO94, whatever you want to call it. It's going to fall over, but whatever. That apparently is a bag that the machine sits in, a waterproof bag. We'll open that properly as well. You get the gun, obviously. Without that, you're not going to get very far. This is what I like to call a technical term of bits and bobs. That bad boy. Push fit. You get that, I believe is already for the snow foam spray, but we'll go through this in greater detail. Get the machine itself, UK plug, obviously. They do ask you on the website, do you want a European one or do you want a UK one? So that's the machine, nice manly colour, pink. And all of a sudden it started to smell like weed. We get the lances. That one is for, actually let's just unbox everything and we'll go through it properly. There's another one. There's another one, so that's 3. There's another one, so that's 4. That clearly some type of handle for that bad boy. And you get this clear nozzle. We'll find out what that's for. And then you have the box. So that is everything you get, including that piece of cardboard. And this random ass thing, I've just realised what it's for. You put that in the bottom of that, and then you put that in there. Alright, first things first. Let's open this. I thought it was going to be a snapback. I might have won if it was a snapback. If anybody wants that, get at me in the comments, because I'm not wearing this. Actually, I might, but at the same time I might not. Yeah, if you want it, let me know. I'll send it out for free. UK only. I completely forgot about this bad boy. I have no idea what's in here. This is dangerous as hell. I need to close this blade a little bit. What on earth is this? 2-in-1 microfiber wash mitt. Some bedtime reading. And last but not least, hand gel. Perfect. That can go in the car. Not bad that. That weren't free. I know I paid for that. this whole bundle, all of this, 130 quid. But this will do bicycle, motorbike, and a car. So in that sense, it's worth it. And there we have the full kit, people. I've gone ahead and saved you the boring time and hassle of watching me put together. So I actually thought that was one sponge, but it was two squashed together. There's the microfiber mitt. There's the waterproof bag that the whole unit goes into, and that's the base. You get the two microfiber cloths, the unit itself, pipework, most important bit, one's the universal one, one's for your bicycle and one's for your motorbike. That is the whole kit.